Here we are at Rain-Free Base over here. Oh, that's good stuff. Here we are. Oh, crap. Look at that. Black is black. Look at that. Jesus. Here's what's happening over here. Sorry about that. And if this stuff would produce a twister funnel cloud, it would be directly over here, where clouds literally explode up into the atmosphere. Wow. Wow, look at this stuff. Looks like we've got a separate one here trying to develop. The winds are pretty strong as well. Jesus, this has literally exploded. Oh wow. Guys, you gotta look at this. Very little will become of this, but look at the movement. The winds are phenomenally strong. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. I don't know if there's any signs of rotation. You guys would be better at this than I am. But there's lightning off to my right, and I've got to be careful. This looks like, I don't know, is this a wall cloud? Perhaps you lot can confirm this to me. I don't know if it's me, but it looks like some spinners trying to come up on this. This is mean, mean stuff. Yeah, rotation. We have some rotation, I think. Good stuff. Very good stuff. I've not seen stuff like this for a long time. But if I just zoom out, I'll show you the rest. there. And here's the rest of the storm over here. Shifting west-northwest. But this is really good stuff up here. Oh my God, look at these clouds explode. You can see this, the speed of these fellows is fast. I've got to watch it because there's a new rain call shaft developing over the west. I've got to watch my back here. The cows are going crazy for some reason. I'm going to put this on pause.